Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shilpi Khatri from Persona and Academy for Spoken English and Personality Development in Jaipur. In my earlier video, I talked about how to build and maintain positive attitude. But in this video, I am explaining 10 steps toward them. Step number first, change your focus. Start looking for what is right in people or situations rather than looking for what is wrong in them. But it nowhere means that you have to ignore or overlook the mistakes and faults. Definitely, you need to work upon them accordingly. Step number second is stay away from negative influences. The negativity in terms of negative environment, negative people, negative companion, profanity, negative actions, social media, books, magazines, or your own bad habits. These things always bring us down. They always take our energy down. So what to do? You have to build a network of people with high moral and character and start reading books which gives you positive thinking. Step number third, start your day with something positive. It's well said that if the morning is fine, the rest of the day goes fantastic. Yes, it's very true. Do something in the morning which gives you immediate happiness because it will set the tone for the rest of the day. You may pick the program of your own choice. It may be gardening, singing, reading, listening music, going for exercising or jogging, etc. This will definitely give you immediate happiness. Step number 4, start to like the things that need to be done. You would have heard or seen that actors, singers, they rehearse or do practices. Why do they do? Is it fun? No, at times it is not. In fact, it is painful for them. But they keep on practicing because practicing take them toward perfection and confidence, and it gives them positive attitude towards their own profession and life. So keep practicing. For an example, exercising. Everybody knows that this is a thing which takes us towards healthy life, healthy body and keep us very fit. It energizes, but few of us don't want to pick it because they hate to take pains. It may be painful, no doubt it may be painful, but start it. Initially you will hate yourself for picking it, but later on it will become your habit and it will rejoice you and it's going to pay you. Step number 5, make a habit of doing it now. You would have heard do it now or never. Why it is said? Because if we do the things now, everything goes fine. But if we believe in never, never comes later on. On the contrary, what people do? They believe in procrastination. They keep on postponing the things because they are fear of facing challenges. They are fear of facing consequences and failures. It ultimately drains out their energy. So better don't do it. Have a habit of doing it now. Step number 6, an attitude of gratitude. This is ultimately a beautiful line. It says that show your gratitude to those who have done something good for you, but never remember what you have done for them, because this habit will always keep you grounded, and practice it until it becomes your habit. Step number 7, build self-esteem. When we do something good for others, we rise in our own eyes. But when we do something bad with others, maybe cheating, deceiving, misguiding others, we fall down in our own eyes. Why? Because our internal feeling is correlated to our behavior and it is visible in our actions. So better try to do something good because it will ultimately help you to have high self-esteem. It will help you to nurture your relationship with others. Step number 8, get into continuous learning program. Have value-based education. Do something for upgradation of your skills. Do something for grooming of your personality. Do something fantastic so that you can have a high character, because it will be visible in your behavior with others. Step number 9, smile and be kind. Smile has magnetic power. Smiling attracts a smile. Be kind to others, be generous, because when we do something good for others, we have good feeling inside us. Smile is teach us to ignore the negativity around us, and ultimately it create a positive aura, and this positive aura fascinate others toward us. Step number 10, change your definition of happiness. Don't seek for some sort of constant euphoria. Don't wait for achieving good, big happiness. Don't wait for having a high victories or say big victories. Try to be happy in small things, small victories or happiness. Always remember that traveling is also a cause of happiness rather than just waiting for reaching the destination. Guys, this is not an end. There are n number of steps which take us toward positive attitude. I have taken only few for the explanation, but I make you sure that if you pick even 5 out of them, you will find a drastic change in your behavior and attitude. You will find a change in your life. Please make a habit of practicing it until it becomes your habit. Guys, I hope you like this video. You can comment below, and thank you so much for watching it. Have a fantastic day.